Imagine facing the daunting task of research, buried under countless articles and studies. Frustrating, right? What if you had a research assistant that was always on call, tirelessly sifting through mountains of information to find the most relevant insights, one that never complains, never slows down, and never gets tired? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, whether you're a student, a professional, or a lifelong learner, AI Wize offers this exact capability, turning complex research into a streamlined, enlightening journey. Instead of spending hours navigating data and picking out useful details, you can get what you need quickly and efficiently with AI Wize. This empowers you to focus on what really matters, your actual project. So, let's dive in and explore how AI Wize is redefining the research process, giving you faster access to the knowledge you need, and allowing you to conduct meaningful, purposeful research without the usual hassle. Research is the bedrock of informed decisions and innovative solutions. But let's be honest, traditional research methods can be overwhelming and time-consuming. Imagine how much more you could accomplish with twice as much time to focus on analysis and insights rather than sifting through search results. In fact, did you know that a recent study by MIT revealed that AI-assisted research tools can cut down literature review times by up to 50%? For anyone who's faced the grind of reading through endless articles, that's a game changer. AI Wize offers a solution, an intelligent assistant that organizes, summarizes, and pinpoints relevant data so you can spend less time searching and more time creating. So, how does AI Wize supercharge your research efforts? It's simple and effective. First, you begin with a clear question or focus area. For example, you might ask, what impact does remote work have on productivity in the tech industry? The more specific your question, the better AI Wize can tailor its results to your needs. Next, you access AI Wize's research tools. You can utilize features like Smart Search, where you enter your question and receive tailored results, or Auto Summarize, which condenses the information for you. If you need an in-depth understanding, the Research Assistant helps with everything from keyword selection to assessing source credibility. Now, let's run a Smart Search. You simply input your research question and refine the parameters, like time frame or source type, and let AI Wize's algorithms locate the most credible sources. Instead of wading through irrelevant results, you get a curated list of valuable materials right away. Once you have your sources, you can review the summaries and highlights. Each source comes with an AI-generated summary that captures the main points, methodologies, and essential data. This allows you to quickly decide which sources are worth exploring further. As you gather your findings, you can organize them using AI Wize's tagging and annotation features. This makes it easy to keep track of key points and connections. Now, let's look at a real-world example. Researchers at MIT integrated AI tools into their literature review process and compared traditional methods with AI-assisted research. The results were remarkable. They found that literature reviews took half the time with AI assistance. Researchers explored more sources, resulting in a deeper understanding of their topics. Additionally, AI algorithms reduced human error in data interpretation, providing more reliable insights. One researcher noted, with AI handling the groundwork, I could dedicate my time to generating insights and making connections that wouldn't have been possible otherwise. This transformative power of AI isn't just for academia. Professionals in fields from market analysis to healthcare are using tools like AI Wize to drive smarter decisions and fuel innovation. Now, if you're ready to see AI Wize in action, here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, log in to the AI Wize platform and define your goal. Start with a question or focus area to help AI Wize deliver tailored results. Next, use the Smart Search feature. Type in your research question and refine the results by specific timeframes, document types, or keywords. This keeps your search efficient and focused on current, relevant information. After that, review the summaries to get a snapshot of each source, then dive deeper into the ones that best meet your needs. Finally, organize your selected sources by tagging and adding notes. This not only helps with organization, but also makes collaboration easier if you're working with a team. Now, here's a fun challenge to experience the true benefits of AI-assisted research. Choose a topic, for example, the effects of remote work on productivity in tech. Allocate equal time to spend on both traditional and AI-assisted research methods. Track your progress by noting the number of sources reviewed, insights gathered, and overall efficiency. Reflect on the experience afterward. Was one method faster or more enjoyable? Which provided more valuable insights? In most cases, you'll find that AI Wize streamlines the process, helping you uncover insights faster and more accurately. With AI Wize, you're not just conducting research, you're harnessing a tool designed to amplify your intellectual potential. So, are you ready to transform the way you explore and interpret information? Head over to AIWise.com and discover how AI-powered research can reshape your workflow and unlock deeper insights.